All right, okay. So we're decompressing the spine, okay. Not the worst thing in the world. Oh, but that's weird. Stop it. What are we doing? Don't hit people like this. Now that you've relaxed and I've loosened up all your tissues, I'm going to smack your body to have your muscles contract back due to spasm because they're trying to protect you from the trauma that's happening. Oh, now let me do some soft tissue muscle relaxation now that I've just smacked you really hard with a wooden peg on your back with a hammer. Like, no, please don't have this type of adjustment done to your body.